Hello friends, in this lecture we will learn about the joins in SQL. So let's start. For understanding the joins we will use the two tables. The first table is employee table, which we are already using to learn the SQL, and the second table we will introduce is the department table. In department table there will be three columns. The first column will be ID, the second column will be the name of the department like operations, finance, tax, purchase, and along with it and what will be the location of that department, that is New York, Dallas and Chicago. So this employee table and department table we will see how we can apply the joins and what will be their output. So let's start with the inner join. So what is inner join? Inner join returns the records that matching values in both the table. It is also known as simple join. For example, we have table A and we have table B. We need to do the inner join of that. So wherever there is a common records, a match value, only that output will be given by the SQL query. To better understand this inner join, we will do the one exercise problem. So before that, let's learn about the syntax. So inner join syntax is select is the keyword followed by the columns which we want to see in the extracted table, then followed by the from keyword, then table 1 will come, followed by the inner join keyword, then table 2 will come, then on is the keyword, and here on keyword indicates that we need to map the common columns of both the table. Suppose the column X in table 1 and a column Y in the table 2 both have the common values. One more important thing is that the values in that column should be unique. Okay, so for inner join we will put the column like this: table 1 dot column X equal to table 2 dot column Y. The question for the exercise is use the inner join to extract the employee name, employee department from the employee table, and department name, department location from the department table whenever there is a matching records. Okay, so let's go to the SQL server. Okay, let's see both the tables. Select star from employee table. And the second is select star from department. Selecting both of them, execute. The top table is employee table, the bottom table is the department table. So from the top table I want to extract the employee name and employee department, and from the second table, that department table, I want to extract the department name and department location. Okay, by matching this column, that is it is unique one. Okay, and this one, it is the unique one, and both are matching in values. Okay, so first of all select keyword, which column I want to see. Here is employee name. Okay, then department I want to see. Okay, and from here I want to see the department name, that is D name, then D location, D underscore location. Here we have given the name of the columns, but how the SQL will identify that this E name is from this employee table and the D name is the department table? For that we need to put the employee table name first, then followed by the dot, then the column name of that table. So how we can do it? That is employee table dot in. Okay, this is the employee table, dot followed by the employee name. Okay, it is like we have given the address of the column here. Similarly for the here employee table dot employee department. Okay, and here I will put the department, that is the second table we are talking about, dot name. Here the department dot, okay, from table 1 is employee table. Okay, then inner join with department. On, in on, what is the matching value? That is ID of the employee table and ID of the department, both have the matching value. Okay, so employee table dot e underscore ID equal to department dot e underscore ID. Now selecting all of them, execute the queue. See, only the matching value has been extracted here. So wherever there is no matching value, that has been excluded here. Okay, let's move forward to for next join, that is the left join. The left join returns all the records from the left table and a match record from the right table. For example, from the graph we can understand that it will return all the records from the table A, but only the match value from the table B. And the syntax for this one is similar. Here the select followed by the column name from table 1 followed by the left join table 2, and on is the keyword where we need to put the common column. How it can done? Table 1 dot column x equal to table 2 dot column 1. And what's the question? The question is use left join to extract all the records of the employee name, employee department from the employee table, and department name, department location for department table wherever there is a matching record. Okay, let's do it. One more thing I want to explain here about the alias, how to use alias. Okay, select, I want to extract the employee name, so here I will just copy it here. Okay, from employee table. See, the employee table name here, it is small, but it might be case that the name is very long. So every time you don't need to use the table name here before the column name. For that we can give the shortcut for that. So how we can do it? So we can rename this employee table as A. Okay, similarly we can rename the department table as B. Okay, for this query only. Okay, then replacing this employee table with A, similarly with A, then B for department and B for department. Here A and B are the alias for the department and employee table correspondingly. Okay, left join, then on. Okay, the common value column is the ID from employee table and ID from the department table. Okay, so employee dot e underscore ID equal to department d underscore ID. Here we can also put A here, and here we can put B. Done. Let's execute it. See, done. So we have extracted all the information from the left table and the match value in the right table. Okay, similarly let's go back to a slide, and right join is the similar to left join, but here we will extract all the information from the right table and the match value from the left table. Okay, and syntax for this is same. The select columns from table 1, right join on table 2, on table 1 dot column x equal to table 2 column Y. And here question is extract match the value from the employee name, employee department from employee table, and all records from the department name, department location for department table. Okay, let's do it. Select alias for the employee table will be A, as earlier we have did. Okay, A dot E underscore name, A dot E underscore department, B, and B is the alias for the department table. B dot D underscore name, B dot D underscore location. From table 1 is left table is employee table as a right join for the department table as alias will be on, so alias A dot E underscore ID, which is the common one, equal to B D underscore ID. Okay, I will just select this one and exit. See, so it has extracted all the information from the right table and match records from the left table, and null it shows that there is no match records for the support and bottom in the employee table. Okay, full join, it returns all the rows from the left table and the right table with the null value in place where the join condition is not met. Okay, and its syntax is select column from table 1 full join table 2 on table 1 dot column X equal to table 2 column Y. The question is use full join to extract records of the employee name, employee department column from employee table, and all records from department name, department location from department table. So let's do it on SQL Server. Okay, select employee table alias is A, so I will put it A dot E underscore name, A underscore E underscore department, B dot followed by the from employee table as a full join department as B on A dot B dot common one is D. Okay, let's execute the query. See, all the information has been extracted, so wherever there is no match value, null value has been shown there. Okay, so this finishes our lecture on the joins. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. Thank you and have a nice day.